person in this video is not a paid actor, but an actual SunWest employee.
Hello everyone, Buffy the Rate Slayer here again with another edition of Market Insight, brought to you from the Capital Markets Trading Desk right here at SunWest Mortgage Company. Treasury yields drop as economic fears resurface amid political concerns. The Dow Jones Industrial Average suffered its biggest point decline since January 3rd, nearly 400 points or 1.5% amid growing concerns of a slowing global economy. At around 2 p.m. Eastern Time, the NASDAQ Composite got hit harder with a more than 1.9% drop, losing much of last week's 2.7% advance. Oil prices started down on gloomy economic news, with mounting fears that economic growth will slow in 2019. Oh boy, so let's see what's moving the markets today, guys. BofA says, don't believe the hype on housing collapse. In Davos today, business leaders said they're worried about central banks. China trade worries rattle markets. Dow falls 400 points. Well, there's no shortage of warning signs for the housing market, but Bank of America says investors should not fear the worst. Quote, don't believe the narratives of a housing collapse, end quote, economist Michelle Meyer wrote in a note to clients on Tuesday. Meyer said the challenges facing the sector, quote, should only be a slight drag on growth, end quote, and that the, quote, recent decline in mortgage rates is well-timed ahead of the spring selling season, end quote. In Davos today, Bank of America's chief executive sees more mergers ahead. Our intrepid reporter noted the WEF's distinct lack of women again, and the CEO of Saudi Aramco argued that the demand for oil will continue to grow despite the rise of renewable energy. On Wednesday, Davos will feature another round of speeches by world leaders, including Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe and German Chancellor Angela Merkel. A report that the Trump administration turned down China's offer for preparatory trade talks dragged stocks lower in the afternoon. The White House has declined to meet two Chinese trade representatives, according to the Financial Times. The Trump administration cited a lack of progress on some key issues for the cancellation of this week's meeting, according to the Financial Times. Oh boy, guys, the back and forth has got me completely drained. I think I need to take a nap. Well, while I'm napping, you guys stay updated with our news, and our trading desk will keep you informed with pricing incentives. That's it for me today. Buffy, out.
Our staff puts the fun back in mortgage finance. Yeehaw!